We spent the last month at home in Poland, but it was time to pack the travel bag and jump on the plane to England, where we were about to get a long overdue dose of socializing.
Earliest wake up we've had in months. Got up at 4 a.m. We are heading to London to Ryan's stag do, which is one of my best mates that I've grown up with, and spend the weekend in London. We've got his wedding next weekend in Kent. We're going to spend a week in the UK, and then after that we're going to go to Amsterdam and Prague. So this is the beginning of a sort of 2 or 3 weeks worth of travel.
Yeah, but we did get a notification there's a bit of a storm rolling in on Great Britain, so fingers crossed our flight makes it to London this morning.
Storm Dara, so fingers crossed that we get across there. We're just at the National Ballet Centre, I think it's called. Just gonna have some breakfast here, but don't think we're gonna get a massive amount of footage of London just because of how bad the weather is. Spent last night with Ryan for his stag do before, or his Bucks party before his wedding next weekend. So got to see a bunch of the guys from back home, which was amazing. It was a good fun night. But yeah, I think a pretty low-key weekend in London.
That's what I mean.
We just walked through Harrods, which was absolutely packed. I got to see the Jaeger-LeCoultre store. For my watch, reference number 130842J, ultra thin for petrol. It's only the second time I've ever got to see my dream watch, so made it worthwhile going in there, but wow, that was absolutely packed. Thoughts? Okay, pretty positive actually. Yeah, anyway, worth going in there to see my dream watch, which I plan on buying one day. But other than that, probably not a place we'll revisit.
It's a bit crazy during Christmas. It's much prettier outside of season.
Got here and the entire street shut down.
We have left London now. We actually hired a car, which we're about to walk past. This is our car for the week. And we've driven out to Watlington to stay with two of probably our favourite people in the world, James and Amy, two creatives. They're both authors. I don't even know how to explain everything that they do. They're just two very incredible people, and they've been nice enough to house us for this week. So we've only been here a full day.
Yeah.
And yeah, we already love this place, and it's been so nice to see him as well.
Just so relaxed, and the entire house is just the most perfect amount of artistic affirmations
Yeah.
written around the whole place that just to keep you motivated. I spent all day today on my laptop just recording self-tapes, recording introduction videos, setting up my profiles. It's been the best.
Yeah, it's very inspiring being around them. We absolutely love being able to spend time with them. We're actually really grateful that we got to meet them years and years ago in Mona Vale. We've had a little look around Watlington. I went up the mountain with it's not really a mountain. I went up the hill with James today.
Well, I was going to give you the rundown.
Yeah, give me the rundown.
Of where we are, which is not that interesting. But, so that's Watlington down there.
Oh, it's quite big.
It is quite big. It's bigger than you think.
Yeah.
But it seems to be refreshed fairly regularly. Like this did not look like this when I was last here a few months ago.
Okay.
And it's me. I'm the bull.
But yeah, really quintessential English small town vibes. It's amazing. Yeah.
Like this building right in front of us.
Yeah, we'll show you through town now as well.
We're going on a little walking tour of Oxford. Getting something to eat, getting scones for Tashi.
Yeah.
Going to a bookshop.
Another bookshop.
You have to go to the bookshop.
Okay.
It's like required to go to the bookshops here. They're amazing, best in the world.
We gotta say where we are though.
Oh, we're in Blackwell's bookshop.
You gotta talk way louder than that.
Oh my god, I hate that. Okay, we're in Blackwell's bookshop in Oxford. It's very big, and we're going to take you down to the Norrington room, which is the prettiest. So this is where all of the non-fiction books are.
Oh my god, it is massive. It's massive.
It's very big.
How many levels are there?
6. This is the Bodleian Library, and the Bodleian has to have every single book that's ever been published ever. So it's in here, and then it's also underground.
Allegedly.
James is like, it's not actually maybe not true. I think it is true, dude. Like every book
Maybe
has an
fact check that.
And it turns out it's true. A day in Oxford was incredible. Cruising the streets, popping into stores and museums, with Sean also blending into the surroundings by buying a Dyer cap. Oxford is such a beautiful yet historical city, with some of the most famous authors in the world originating from here. We highly recommend the trip out. We honestly had the most magical 4 days with James and Amy. But before we say our goodbyes to make our way over to the East Coast for our friend's wedding, a quick shout out to her book, which launches on March 11th but is available now for pre-order. So check it out in the links below.
come to the village thing?
No. Go straight to the venue.
How you feeling morning of your wedding?
Good.
Good, okay. Okay.
As good as that.
Yeah, that's pretty good. How you feeling,
Does it?
groomsman?
Good.
Yeah?
Ready to go.
Let's go. What are we waiting on?
Wedding day.
Waiting on Ben again, as per.
As per usual. Come, Benny.
Man, not ready still.
I'm doing the walk around, thank you, making sure everyone's got everything they need.
Oh, you look a bit like Trump then. What drew the inspiration for that, Tommy?
Ben.
Just picked up this random straggler on the road.
Hey. Welcome to the vlog. We get to see what Josh is like on camera for the next 8 days.
Yeah.
Not good.
After all the celebrations wrapped up, we took off to kickstart our adventures in Prague and Amsterdam. If you haven't checked those videos out yet, you'll find the links below or just pop over to our page to explore more. But we ended up finishing off 2024 back in Poland, just in time for Christmas. It has been a dream of mine to spend at least one Christmas here with my family, and it was exactly what I imagined it would be. And don't forget to give us a little love and support by hitting the subscribe button. Stay up to date with all of our adventures and where they'll be taking us to next.